The main intuition behind gradient descent is that when the slope is negative, move to the positive direction, and when the slope is positive, move in the negative direction. So let's use a diagram to explain this. Suppose you have a function f, and you want to minimize the function, say you want to go to here, but you started somewhere here. So at this point, the slope is negative and it's very large. So the gradient should go the negative direction and should be very large. So that's our gradient. Then you want to move the x in the other direction, and you want to move a lot because it's very far from the minimum. So this is the direction you want to move. However, if you are here, then the slope is not as steep. So the slope is smaller and it's still negative, so the gradient is still going that direction. And again, you want to move towards the opposite direction, the same magnitude or some constant fraction of the magnitude. And you can do the same thing here. Here the slope is positive and small, going the other direction. You are moving towards this minimum. And similar here is positive and large. So this is our gradient, and large, this is our direction.